Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the case and taking the AirPods out so you don't damage them. Once done, warm the silicone briefly with your hands or a 5-10 second low hairdryer blast to soften it. This reduces tearing. Next, pinch the bottom seam and lift one corner to form a gap between cover and case. That first pull matters. It creates room for the rest of the cover to slide off without stressing the hinge or ports. You now work methodically around the case, using your thumbs to roll the silicone upward and away from the hinge. This preserves the cover's shape and prevents sudden snaps. Once one side is free, rotate the case and repeat clockwise, gently levering each edge until the cover has released all the way around. If it's stubborn, slide a thin plastic card, not metal, between cover and case to increase leverage. That prevents gouging. Make sure to keep pressure even so ports and the hinge stay intact. You finish by peeling the remaining cover off in a steady motion, then inspect the hinge and charging port for debris. Once removed, clean both the case and the inside of the cover with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. If the cover rips or won't budge, don't force it. Rewarm the silicone or dip only the edge in warm soapy water for 20-30 seconds to loosen adhesion, then try roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.